In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert changes in a Lovable project. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, the step-by-step guide will help you efficiently navigate the process of undoing changes in your project. So let's get started. First, you'll need to go to the Lovable website. Simply open up your web browser and type in the URL lovable.dev. Once you've reached the home page, make sure to log into your account if you haven't already. This will allow you to access your personal projects and make the necessary changes. Take a moment to appreciate how Lovable's interface is designed to keep things user-friendly and intuitive. Now, once you're logged in, it's time to find your project. You should see a list of all the projects you're currently working on or have worked on in the past. Skim through this list to find the specific project where you want to revert changes. This step may seem simple, but it's important to verify that you're accessing the correct project to avoid any accidental edits elsewhere. With your project open, the next step is to look for the specific edit you'd like to reverse. Lovable retains a record of changes, making it simple to see the timeline of edits made. This is extremely helpful, especially if you're collaborating with the team and need to sort through multiple updates. Carefully navigate through the history of changes, identify the exact version you're aiming to revert to. This process requires attentiveness, so take your time getting familiar with the different changes logged for the project. Once you pinpoint the edit you need to undo, it's time to take action. You'll notice a restore option beside the edit, usually represented by a recognizable icon or button on the platform. Go ahead and click on restore. This will revert the project to its previous state before that specific edit was made. Remember, this action can't be undone, so double check to ensure it's the correct version before confirming. The ability to restore previous versions is a key feature that can save you a lot of hassle in moments where an edit didn't quite go as planned. And there you have it. You've successfully reverted changes in your Lovable project. Understanding this process is crucial for maintaining the clarity and quality of your project's progress. By following these steps, you should now feel more confident in managing edits and changes in Lovable, ensuring your project runs smoothly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials that make managing your projects easier.